choice.
Hello and welcome to today's masterclass on meal planning. If you are feeling the post-holiday bloat, if you are tired of endless cooking, overspending, and most importantly, if you are confused about where to start to get back into shape quickly, this video is for you. The days of improvised dinners and expensive takeout are over. I promise you, today we will not talk about restrictive diets. We will talk about a system, the logistics of success. I'm going to give you a detailed plan that will transform your January. It will help you lose weight, save time, and keep money in your wallet. In the next 45 minutes, you will learn 3 key things. First, how to budget your food to reduce costs by up to 30%. Second, you will understand the philosophy of component cooking, which keeps your meals varied and delicious every day. And third, you will get a ready-to-implement weekly plan that you can apply as soon as this video ends. Are you ready to turn your kitchen into a lab for a successful and economical start to the year? Let's get started. Section 1. Why meal prep is your financial and health lifesaver. Let's start with the most important thing, the economy of chaos. When we are hungry, tired, and without a plan, we invariably make the expensive, unhealthy, and fast decision. It was this accumulation of bad decisions that depleted our budget and derailed our regime throughout December. Meal planning or meal prep is prevention against this chaos. Why is it so effective? First, precise budgeting. When you shop with a list based on a plan, you only buy what you truly need. No impulse buys, no wasted products. Second, control over calories and nutrients. You know exactly what is in every portion. This is the masterclass in calorie balance in action, without having to calculate every single day. Third, eliminating decision fatigue. The decision of what should I eat is exhausting. When you have a plan, you free up mental energy for more important things, and weight loss happens as a side effect of good organization. Section 2. Step 1. Creating the budget and taking inventory. Before we go grocery shopping, we need to know what we already own. Start with inventory. Open your fridge, freezer, and pantry. Write down all the staple items that need to be used. This will automatically reduce your next grocery bill. Next is budgeting. Set a realistic weekly amount for food. As a rule, planned meal prep with bulk shopping reduces costs by an average of 20 to 30% compared to daily shopping. Focus on seasonal vegetables and quality proteins at good prices. Legumes, eggs, and frozen vegetables. Here is the key to variety and avoiding boredom. Most people quit meal prep because they have to eat the same meal 5 days in a row. That is the wrong approach. Our philosophy is to cook components, not finished meals. Component 1. Protein. This is the most crucial component for satiety and metabolism. Prepare a large batch of 2 types of protein for the week. For example, a large amount of baked chicken breast and some cooked lentils or chickpeas. Keep the seasoning light. Component 2. Carbohydrates. Prepare 2 types of complex carbohydrates. For example, cooked brown rice and some baked sweet potatoes. Again, keep the flavors neutral. Component 3. Vegetables. This is the component that can be the most varied. Chop up raw veggies, carrots, cucumbers, bell peppers. Prepare a large batch of green salad mix. Roast or steam another type of vegetable, like broccoli or zucchini. Component 4. Sauces and toppings. This is the component that makes every meal different. Prepare a few healthy sauces, a lemon mustard vinaigrette, hummus, or a yogurt-based dill sauce. Store them separately. I hope the information so far has been helpful to you. If this detailed approach to meal planning resonates with you, please hit the like button. For me, that is the best signal that I am working in the right direction. If you do not want to miss any of our masterclasses for a healthy new year, subscribe to the channel. And if you have a specific question about meal prep or want to share your biggest kitchen challenge, leave a comment below. Now let us continue with the execution of our weekly plan. Here is a sample, executable plan for January. Saturday, Sunday. Set aside 2 hours. Protein. Bake 2 pounds of chicken breast with minimal seasoning. Cook 2 cups of dry chickpeas or use canned. Carbohydrates. Cook a large batch of brown rice. Bake 4 to 5 medium sweet potatoes in the oven. Vegetables. Wash and chop the fresh vegetables. Steam a large batch of broccoli for quick consumption throughout the week. Sauce. Prepare a vinaigrette with vinegar, olive oil, a little honey, and mustard. Monday. Lunch. Chicken breast, brown rice, baked sweet potatoes with a little vinaigrette. Dinner. Chicken breast, a large side salad with fresh veggies, and a tablespoon of hummus. Tuesday. Lunch. Chickpeas, steamed broccoli, and the rest of the brown rice. Dinner. Omelet using the remaining raw veggies and a little feta cheese. Do you see the magic? You have 3 completely different meals from only 4 main components. The game is in the combining and the small additions like spices and sauces. For your food to last 5 to 7 days, storage is critical. Use airtight containers. This is an investment that pays off. Separation is key. Never mix the dressing with the salad or the sauce with the main dish beforehand. Add them right before consumption to maintain freshness. Meat and fish last up to 4 days in the fridge. If you are planning for a full week, divide the protein into 2 batches and freeze the second one. Take it out of the freezer on Wednesday evening. This guarantees you fresh protein through the end of the week. The pantry cleanout. Strategy. Once a month, plan meals that only use products from your pantry. This prevents food waste and saves money. Double batch. When you cook soup or stew, always make a double batch and freeze half. That is free save time for the following week. Price comparison. Protein sources like legumes, eggs, and frozen fish are often cheaper than fresh meat. Include them in your plan to lower the budget. Water and tea. Keep a bottle of water or unsweetened tea always by your side. This will curb the impulse for expensive and sugary drinks. In this masterclass, we laid the foundation for your successful January. We turned the chaos from the holidays into an organized, economical, and most importantly, an effective weight loss plan. Remember, weight loss is not punishment, it is organization. When you have a plan, the healthy choice is automatic. Your assignment for this week is to choose just 2 proteins, 2 carbs, and 2 vegetables, and apply the component strategy. And so, we have reached the end of today's masterclass. Thank you for dedicating your valuable time to this detailed lesson. I hope you now feel confident and knowledgeable. Do not forget to like the video if it gave you a concrete strategy. Subscribe to continue receiving valuable content, and most importantly, share in the comments what you are starting your meal prep with this week. That motivates our entire community. I look forward to your successes and talk to you soon.
Support us by liking and subscribing.